Nova Scotia's COVID-19 numbers have dipped again today, notably in the Halifax area. But as the numbers creep up in Cape Breton, we're hearing from a woman whose husband has just tested positive. She says the worst part wasn't the diagnosis. It was the backlash that has come since. She is speaking with CTV's Kyle Moore.
It all began here at this hockey game in Member 2. That's where Andrea Martin says her husband, who is a teacher at Sydney Academy, came in contact with COVID-19. But she says knowing her husband tested positive wasn't the worst part.
There was just a little thread saying that, you know, this guy's a teacher in Sydney and his wife had to close and his son's from Glace Bay and they're sick and everyone's sick and they're spreading this, and we did everything right.
The family has been through tragedy in the past. Their son Kellen passed away with cancer in 2013. For Martin, she says this brought it all back.
If you get cancer, people rally. If you get the flu, people cook you soup. If you get COVID, you're burned at the stake, and it's just unacceptable.
Frustrated and overwhelmed, Martin posted a video to social media last night. She wanted to speak out to try and change the stigma associated with COVID-19.
You could hear in his voice the absolute fear in his voice, because we lost a son to cancer, and now COVID has entered our home.
Dr. Margaret Fraser says a lot of people are scared because of the unknown, but she says people need to remember the disease does not discriminate.
They need our support and our compassion because they're unwell with an illness that can be quite dangerous.
Andrea Martin says since posting her video to social media, she's heard from people scared to be tested for COVID-19 because of retaliation, and from others who hid in their homes when they found out they were positive.
The people that have reached out to me and said, I'm on my way for a test. I booked a test. I'm not scared anymore. Thank you. Because this was the stigma.
Martin says her focus now is her husband's health. And Steve, Andrea Martin says her husband Sheldon is currently isolating in a trailer outside of their home. He is dealing with severe headaches and is having trouble lifting his arms. It's day 5 of isolation for him, with still a long road ahead to recovery. Steve?
We'll ask Dr. Strang about COVID shaming later. Kyle, thank you. CTV's Kyle Moore in Glace Bay.